Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make pumpkin chips. Pumpkin has a lot of health benefits, so let's quickly check out the ingredients, the health benefits and get started. Benefits of pumpkin: highly antioxidant, pack of vitamins, helps weight loss, protects your eyesight. Today I've taken 250 grams of pumpkin pieces. To begin with, let's slice the pumpkin. Go with a very thin blade and slice the pumpkin. Now we're ready with all the slices, so let's start frying it. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, go ahead and add one slice at a time. Don't overcrowd. Fry on medium flame for 5 minutes until they turn golden brown. Now the pumpkin chips are nice and crispy, so remove them. Fry all the pumpkin slices and add to a mixing bowl. Add required amount of salt and mix it well. You can also go with chili powder or chaat masala if you prefer to. Now our delicious and crispy pumpkin chips is ready to enjoy. Very quick and easy recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.